Is going to be a hot one. Even in the mountains, we're not looking at much of a break this week. Here in town, here's a look at your emoji cast. We'll be in the low 70s by about 9 o'clock. Lots of sunshine this morning. Upper 80s near 90 by noon, and then low to mid 90s. Really, the only break we would get from some of this heat today would be a chance for an isolated storm or two rolling through. A few building clouds this afternoon. Otherwise, sunny and hot. I mean, that's the view from Lookout Mountain right now. Obviously clear skies and what's going to be a very bright eastbound drive. 6th Avenue and I-70 eastbound, pretty bright today. Take a look at your headlines. It's going to be pretty hot across the entire state all week long. We've got very few storms popping up today, and it's going to get even warmer and drier tomorrow. In fact, hot and dry conditions expected through the coming weekend. Right now, you're at 61, both in Arvada and Lakewood. We're at 58 in Denver and 60 in Aurora. So mainly 60s for the Front Range early on. And take a look at Futurecast. We'll quickly warm well into the 70s by about 10 o'clock, getting again into the upper 80s to low 90s by lunch. You've got just a few building clouds by that point. The winds are going to be a little breezy over the northeastern corner of the state, so spots like Fort Morgan, Akron, you're hot and breezy today. In the mountains, it's going to be 70s. And you'll notice a few isolated storms again popping up by mid-afternoon, right around 3 to about 4 o'clock. I know we had to scramble from the pool yesterday, which always makes it frustrating when you've got to make reservations, but today is going to be drier. We'll get a few more storms late afternoon, early evening. That's right around 7 o'clock across the far eastern plains, but it's going to be dry and toasty here, still near 90 by 7. Early Tuesday morning, waking up to 60s, even some 70s, and then another hot one. Now, tomorrow, the winds are going to pick up in the mountains. It's going to get breezy, and here in town, you'll see those westerly winds by about 3 o'clock tomorrow, around 15 to near 20, 25 miles per hour. So a little breezier across the state, which is why this fire weather warning goes into effect tomorrow. So fire danger is going to be quite a bit higher over the western half of the state tomorrow on Tuesday. We'll be tracking that throughout the week. In fact, we're likely going to see fire weather warnings pop up all week long. From low to mid 90s today to upper 90s through midweek. In fact, we're talking some near triple digit heat through the end of the week into the coming weekend. No break from this heat. Overnight lows are going to likely be in the 60s. Hoping for a few more storms next week, but Jason, this is a really hot and dry week ahead of us.